Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. To begin with, we are going to open the Notes app. Once we're in Notes, we are going to go to our recently deleted notes. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Folders, and then Recently Deleted. And here are our deleted notes. So I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to tap on the note that I want to recover. And now I'm going to move it back to the folder it belongs in. So move. And then you can choose whatever folder you want to put it in. I'm going to put it back into my notes. And there we go. Now the note is back in my notes folder. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.